Hello students, hope you all are well and safe at your homes. Today we will study our topic prime and composite numbers. By now we all know how to find the factors of a given number. Now let us study some numbers and their factors. Like first number I am taking 1. 1 has a factor only 1. Now 2. 1 and 1 twos are 2. Only 2 factors 1 and itself. 3. 1 3. Again only 2 factors 1 and itself. Now 4. 1 fours are 4. 2 twos are 4. So I am writing 2 only one time. Now 5. 1 fives are 5. Again it has only 2 factors 1 and itself. 6. 1 6 are 6. 2 3s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Repetition start. It means all factors have been noted. Now 8. Sorry, first we have to write for 7. 1 sevens are 7. Again only 2 factors. 8. 1 eights are 8. 2 fours are 8. 3 no, then 4 twos are. It means all factors have been written. Now 9. 1 nines are 9. 3 threes are 9. Right? Now 10. 1 tens are 10. 2 fives are 10. That's all. Then 11. 1 elevens are 11. Odd number not divisible by 2. Not in the table of 3, 4, 5, 6. So only 2 factors 1 and itself. 12. 1 12s are 12. 2 6 are 12. 3 4s are 12. 4 3s are 12. Repetition started. It means factors complete. Then 1 into 13. 2 no. 3 no. 4 5 6 not divisible by any of the number. So it has only 2 factors. Now 14. 1 14. 2 7. 3 not divisible. 4 not divisible. 5 no. 6 no, and 7 we have written 7 twos are. It means all factors are completed. Now observe in these 14 numbers, some numbers have only 2 factors and every time they are 1 and number itself. And in each line, each factor we have observed, 1 is a factor of every number and every number is a factor of itself. See, in 1, 1 is there, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It means every number is a factor of itself. 1 is a factor of every number. And some numbers which have exactly 2 factors 1 and itself. These numbers which have exactly 2 distinct factors 1 and the number itself is called a prime number. And which numbers are prime here? 2, then 3, 5, 7, then 11, then 13. Right? In this way, we can find more prime numbers. Now the numbers which have more than two factors, those numbers which have more than two factors are called composite numbers, like 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, etc. Now what we have observed, 1, it has only one factor, so it is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Fine. Hope you all have understood the concept of prime and composite numbers. Now you will solve your worksheet number 7. I am showing you the pic of worksheet 7. Like first you have to tell, is 1 a prime number? Just discussed. No. Smallest prime number, can you guess which is the smallest number? Smallest composite number, odd prime, even composite, all these questions you will try to solve. Among these you are to find which of these are prime numbers. I hope you can do. Which of these are composite numbers? Now write all the prime numbers that comes between 20 and 30. Then composite numbers between 40 and 50. Fine. Thank you.